Work it, let me work it. This is a toolkit that works as hard as your brand. The Workit 24-piece toolkit is built for quick fixes, everyday adjustments, and small repairs, wherever and whenever you need it. Inside this slim, durable case, you've got everything you need for routine maintenance and unexpected repairs at home, in the office, or on the road. Ever had a desk chair start wobbling in the middle of the day? Or a drawer that just won't close right? That's where the precision bits and screwdrivers come in. They grab the right bit, tighten things up, and get back to work. Putting together a new standing desk, which I just did, or adjusting metal fixtures, the socket and hex keys make assembly quick and frustration-free. Whether it's furniture, office equipment, or shelving, struggling with hard-to-reach screws, the extension bar adds extra length to reach behind desks and into tight spaces, while the bit holder keeps everything steady so you can get the job done. And let's be honest, every office has something that needs cutting, whether it's zip ties, loose wiring, or stubborn packaging. The pliers get the job done. Some tools, they may only get used once. This is the one that sticks around. The 24-piece work tool set fits in a desk, a supply closet, or work truck, ready when you need it.